James has 1/4 gallon of milk. He drinks 1/3 of the milk that he has. How much milk did James drink? So the key word here is he drinks 1/3 of the milk that he has. But we know he has 1/4 gallon. So we multiply those two things together. We have 1/4 gallon is what he has. 1/3 of it's what he drinks. So we multiply that because, again, we're chopping down the quarter that he has. We're chopping it into thirds. So what we're going to have is 1/4. This is how much milk he has on hand, right? And then we are multiplying by 1/3. So we're chopping it into thirds. So then all we do is multiply by the tops, multiply the bottoms. 4 times 3 is 12. This is already simplified. There's nothing else left to do. So he actually drinks 1/12 of a gallon that day, because even though he has a 1/4 gallon, 1/4 of a gallon in the fridge, he only drinks 1/3 of it. So he's drinking much less than 1/4 of a gallon, and that is 1/12. That's much less there. All right, the second problem says that Claire has 2/3 of a candy bar and gives 1/6 of her candy to a friend. How much candy did Claire give away? Notice the key word here. She gives 1/6 of her candy to a friend. All right. Notice that there's no keywords in here like some or difference or anything like that. So we're looking to see also the keywords of, but also just what does it mean? If she has 2/3 of a candy bar and she gives 1/6 of her total candy away, then we're chopping up what she has into 6 pieces, and that's 1/6 of it's what she gives away. So in terms of math, what Claire has is 2/3, and she's multiplying by 1/6 because that's how she's chopping it down. And so we multiply the tops. 2 times 1 gives me 2. We multiply the bottoms. 3 times 6 gives me 18. This is the answer. We always want to simplify, and we know that these are even numbers. So we divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. 2 times 2 gives me, 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. So the answer is 1/9 is how much she gave away. So that's how much candy she gave away. And it makes sense because she had 2/3 of a candy bar and she gave away 1/6. So she gave away a pretty small amount. 1/9 of anything is fairly small. Chop something into 9 pieces, one little piece of it, it's not